How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to flare a steel tube. This is a fuel line, but you can do it on brake lines, whatever. I just have a basic flaring kit from Lordco here. It's not a double flaring kit, it's just a 45-degree flaring kit. Should be all you need. You're going to start by testing which hole your line should go in. Mine fits in the 5/16 hole, so that's where it's going to go. This should be done in a vise with the fuel line out, and then this right here in a vise, but I don't feel like taking the whole fuel line off, so we're just gonna do it like this. You only need your line to be sticking out just that little bit. You even could do it flush. I've seen some people do it since this is angled in here, but I wanna get a big flare, so I'm gonna do it with the line sticking out just a tiny bit. Make sure you tighten it extremely tight because you're gonna be pulling really hard on this while doing the flare. Once it's tightened on there, you're good to go. I'm gonna slip it on here. Okay. Once your flaring tool is inside the hole, you're gonna wanna make sure that the angled piece is centered. Look all around, make sure it looks evenly centered, because if the angled piece isn't centered in the hole, then you're gonna get a messed up flare like this one that I did quite a while ago. You can see that the angled piece was too far to one side and not level. Also, if you mess up your flare, it's not a big deal. As long as you have lots of line like I do, you can, where did I put my little cutter? You can cut it off with a handy tool like this. I will have a video posted on the channel how to use one of these, super simple. And then you can cut it off and just reflare it. Don't be nervous to do this and mess up. There's only one way to learn. Once you're confident in your work, start spinning. Okay, I think I'm done. You see how the line has filled up that whole divot? Wow, that turned out really good. I am very happy with that. I'm sorry for the poor video quality, but you can see that's a nice even flare. But I do want to mention something. I was a little worried when I was first spinning this down that my flare started to look like this one that I did a while ago. It wasn't even, and it was a little, you could tell that the one side was filling up quicker than the other ones. But what I did is I kind of straightened this out a little bit, and I just pushed it hard as hell, and it actually filled up the whole divot. So if you're starting to mess up, just watch it. You want it to be all filling out and like bending evenly. But if one side's bending more than the other, then straighten out your piece and then just push through it, and it should straighten itself out. Okay, the new line is on. Let's start this bad boy up.